Hey guys, I'm gonna get ready to grill, show you something. I got these half pans in the bottom to try to preserve the bottom of the grill, right? But next time, next week, or no later than the week after that, I'm gonna touch this grill up. I'm gonna do some work on it. I had to cut that pan. See, it's cut off. See, that's the old one. There's the new one. All right, put it in the back and I'll show you what it looked like. See that opening? Pan. All right, guys, there's the pan part. I think that's a success. Now I'm a charcoal holder. I'm gonna put it in next, okay? I'm done for the night. But yep, it's coming along, see? Charcoal side looks a lot better down there now. And remember, the gas side is still okay. The propane side is still doing good. All right, holla. Guys, like I say, had my grinder and my little cutting Dremel. See my brushes, my wheels for do the work. Got a file for to cut smooth edges off. The pliers there. Then on this side, see it had sockets, screwdrivers, different little tools from a sort. And had gloves to help with the hands a little bit and a rag. All right, holla.